How to turn off profile view history on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen next to those three lines. And here you will land on the profile views section of your account. And as you can see, profile views is turned on. So what you need to do in order to turn it off is you need to click on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. And from the bottom window, you can see that profile view history has a toggle next to it that's turned on. So click on that toggle to turn it off. And once you do that, profile view history will be turned off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable profile view history on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next